The wraps are finally off the world's first hotel private jet in. Mercifully for everyone else on board, there's no honeymoon suite. Otherwise, the Boeing 757 kitted out by the luxury Four Seasons brand promises to deliver the full FNCY hotel experience at 30,000 feet. The Toronto-based luxury accommodation company has just released the first images and a video showing the interior of the retrofitted single-aisle aircraft. With a decor it says is inspired by caviar and champagne. The plane features 52 flatbed seats in handcrafted leather, hand-woven woolen carpets, and fancy tableware. That's nearly 150 seats fewer than in standard, commercially operated 757s. On the outside, the aircraft is rendered in a glossy black livery with the Four Seasons logo emblazoned on the tail fin.